guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Fisoihle Mabuza. For those that are here for the very first time, thank you so much. Please do subscribe, and for those that are returning, thank you very much. You are really appreciated. Yeah, so today's video I'll be showing you a couple of hairstyles, a few where I'll be using a head wrap, and the others it will just be my box braids. Please bear in mind my box braids are very old. I need to unplait them, so yeah. Please do subscribe for those that haven't subscribed, and please give the video a thumbs up. And yeah, so let's get into it.